Hi, Cardano community. My name is James. I'm the founder of Workshop Maybe, based here in Worcester, Massachusetts, and also a co-founder of a new project called GimbaLabs, which I'd like to tell you about today. At GimbaLabs, we truly believe that Cardano has the potential to help a lot of people solve a lot of difficult, real-world problems. And we know that none of this will happen without participation from the Cardano community. Our mission is to mobilize everyone in the Cardano community, including you, by creating tools and real-world use cases that help people understand what Cardano can do. We really want to ignite the public imagination about new ways of solving old problems. Our vision is a world where as many people as possible are empowered to solve these sorts of problems using the Cardano platform. To facilitate this work, we have a proposal up on the Project Catalyst website in IdeaScale. I'll share a link both to IdeaScale and to our proposal alongside this video. The proposal is called Cardano Starter Kits and APIs. Cardano Starter Kits and APIs are two sides of a similar coin. Starter Kits allow people to go out into the real world, into their towns and their cities, and to host or facilitate real-world experiences that help people who have never heard of blockchain begin to get a feel for what Cardano technology can do. APIs provide a similar tool for web developers, user interface designers who might not be experts at developing dApps and smart contracts, but do see ways to use these tools and want a quick way to test out ideas and start building using the other sorts of technical expertise they already have. Now, here's the call to action. First, I hope that you'll head over to our proposal on Catalyst, take a look at it, and provide your feedback. We really thrive on hard questions. I participated in Fund 1. I learned a lot with my proposal there. And through feedback, I've been able to build upon that proposal into this team that now comprises GimbaLabs. And we're just getting started. Months from now, we hope to have a whole network of people both using and contributing by creating their own or by giving feedback to Cardano Starter Kits and APIs. Now, I've already published 2 Cardano Starter Kits. They're very simple, and they serve as kind of a minimum viable product, an example of what we hope that these things can do. Starter Kit 0 is simply for people who might be interested in Cardano but have no idea how to get any or how to hold it securely. So I provide a few tips for people like that who might want to start getting a little bit more involved. Starter Kit number 1 is a very simple introduction to using GitHub and to using the Marlowe Playground to just start familiarizing yourself with some of the development tools that you'll need to know if you personally want to build on Cardano. Starter Kits 2 and 3 will be released next week. Starter Kit number 2 is called How to Talk About Cardano with Your Friends and Family, and we're going to have some fun with this one. I'll tell you more about it in just a moment. Starter Kit number 3 will provide us the chance to take a look at some basic contracts in Marlowe and to think big about how we might eventually apply these. Of course, Gauguin and Voltaire are still rolling out. So parallel to that, over the next few months, as new features and new capabilities of Cardano go live, we're going to accompany that journey by thinking alongside you about ways to use these tools. So finally, here's how I'd love for you to get involved in Starter Kit number 2. Once again, remember, it's called How to Talk About Cardano with Your Friends and Family. I know that some of you might already be experts on that, but I'm imagining that if you're like me, you're still working on this, you're still practicing. And I'm excited to share 3 tips next week for getting conversations going. It should be a really fun and engaging activity. part of Starter Kit number 2 is we want to have your voice involved, okay? So I invite you to reach out to me either here with a direct message on YouTube or on Reddit or via Twitter. Just reach out to me and I'll share the details with you. What we'd like is to hear your explanation to somebody with zero background knowledge. How would you describe what Cardano is and what it can do? You can choose to start by explaining what a blockchain is. You could talk about what a smart contract or a dApp is. But what we really want is we want you to assume that somebody is starting from nothing, maybe not even financial literacy, okay? How does somebody who might be living with on a daily basis some of the problems that currently exist in our world, how does somebody like that have access to understanding what Cardano is and what it can do? If you'd like to share a video in which you share your 2 cents, I'll incorporate that into Starter Kit number 2. And I really appreciate you even considering doing this. I hope that makes sense. Probably raises new questions for you. So just to summarize, we are asking you to 1, go on Catalyst, take a look at our proposal, provide some feedback, ask us hard questions, and 2, add your voice to the chorus that we're going to produce for how to talk about Cardano in the broader world. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.